Well, follow-up video from the last one. The snow is a lot better. Trails have been groomed and there's pretty good hard pack with about maybe, I don't know, inch and a bit of fluff on top. So we'll see if it'll go around the corner. Last time it was pushing so bad because the snow was soft. So we'll see. Yeah, definitely better traction because we got some inside ski lift. I put a few turns in the center shock and I took that back bar right out. Now it gets some transfer at least. Nothing like pulling the skis at 70 miles an hour. Wow. Alright, here's my favorite part of the trail. Except this corner is too tight. Nice section through here. Fairly open. You can see. Nice little hill. Exit on the other side. Tight to the inside. Good straightaway. The mic is probably clicking, but it just can't put up with that much wind noise. Nice hill, keep to the right. Hard lefty. Usually lots of deer stuff in this area, so gotta watch out for the little guys. Nothing today. And final straightaway. Definitely better when the snow's better. A lot less push. Anyway, yeah, it's a lot of fun.